about you try this jar then? Oh, so you want me to go through all of them? What's this? This one. Oh, damn you. How dare you? Can I just break the jar? I'll break it over your head in a moment. Well, enjoy having that on the table. Oh yeah, there's a lot of it now. That's what I'm saying. You shouldn't have done that. I'll just swoop it under the table. It's fine. Right. No swooping under the table. What else then? No point in messing with any of this now. Just find the rice. It could be in here. You tell me where it is. You have to find it on your own. Is there any rice in this one? I can feel something move.
Не, подожди. Сказала мать, бывает все, сынок.
There you go. Cheer yourself up a bit. Look, what is that? Found the rice. Would you look at that? Where has it been? I hope the water's warm now. How do you know that it's rice? It's covered in something. I mean, it's in a plastic bag. I think there's already some kind of concoction in the pot. Concoction? What do you think we put in there? You tell me. Is the concoction boiling then? Not yet. Forget about it then, and leave the bag there. We need to find some more. Some more ingredients for our meal. Shall we? I know you're going to snatch it away from me. I'm just going to hold it in my hand for now. What did you put in front of me? I've got you 3 more jars. 3 more. 3 more jars. You'll find your next ingredient at the bottom of one of these jars. Okay, I know I need cucumbers. That's right. He's holding on to the rice like it's a trophy. Yves not giving it away. You're making it harder for yourself, you know. You could have had 2 hands free instead of 1. Remember, you're going to have to eat whatever you cook. What did you find in there? Cucumber, right? Do you want 2? Good call. Is there only 1? Hey there, Grisha. Who's Grisha? Grisha is Grisha. Who? You'll meet him in about 40 minutes. Right, Grisha. I think 2 cucumbers is enough. Perfect, 2 is enough. Once again, Yves is making rolls with avocado. Are those really cucumbers? Do you want to bite? You could do that. Well, I want you to bite it. I'm not going to be biting anything today. No. Right, give me another jar then. It's in front of you. And what am I supposed to find in there? Avocados, or what am I looking for? What's that? Is that more cucumbers? Lovely, you found more. These haven't been cut. You'll have to do that. Why are they in a bag? Figure it out. Actually, don't think about it. There's no time to think. You need to survive. Give me another. You want another? You're on a roll, it seems. I knew you'd get into it. Right. What's supposed to be in this one? You're not quite asking the right question. It's more like, why am I doing this? Yeah, why is there something on my head?